All right, this is just a classic take on the abdominal wheel. You don't have an abdominal wheel, but you do have a foam roller. Paper plates would even work with this. Anything you can kind of bring out. But when you're doing this, you're trying to keep constant tension on the anterior core, so you will feel this in your abs. You should not feel it in your back. But a couple of pointers. I teach it the hips extended way, okay? So, your butt is not gonna start back here, it's gonna start there. You do not squeeze it, all right? Do not clench your butt, pretty much ever, all right? I do not teach that. It throws off your bones, where your femur bone sits. So, I'm here, and I'm gonna make it pretty easy right now. I'm gonna start it with it under my shoulders, all right? So that's pretty easy. And I'm only gonna go out as far as I can still keep breathing easy. If I went out way far, I'd turn red. That's nothing good is happening there, all right? And the way you would make this harder is your starting position is farther out, all right? So if I wanna make this really hard, I'll bring my feet up, and then I'll come out, hold it, and I'm only coming in that far. I'm not coming all the way back here, as people do with the wheel. Keep constant tension on your abdominals, as so. It's very small range of motion. There to there, there to there, okay?